morning. Hello, this is Shelly Khanna, Senior Manager HR, NPCIL Kakrapar, Gujarat side. Today we are going to talk about the dream project of BARC, that is Akruti program. Akruti, which stands for the Advanced Knowledge Based Rural Technology Incubator. Yes, you have heard it right, that is Rural, Rural plus Urban. In the year 2009, Department of Atomic Energy has launched the DAE Societal Initiative for the utilization for non-power applications and spin-off technologies in the area of agriculture, water, food processing, agri-land improvement through the rural and urban waste management. With this motto, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC has formulated the structured program which is called the Akruti program, which is popularly known as the Akruti program. The main principle, or we can say the main motto, the purpose of this program is to establish the technology in the rural areas, to demonstrate and to facilitate the villagers in the rural areas to adopt that technology, to fabricate, assemble and deploy in the field and expand. Let me also mention that in the year 2009, there was a technology pack which is called the Akruti Tech Pack, was introduced for technically oriented people like women entrepreneurs, NGOs, FPOs, industry, college, universities and many more. To promote this BRC technology, BRC developed technology, an Akruti Center has been established within the ESL compound at NPCIL Kakrapar, Gujarat site. Here, we basically display the BRC developed technologies for the rural people in the vicinity of Kakrapar, Gujarat site. As we came to know that total 8 quota cabins have been developed, out of which 4 cabins have already been developed, and we have displayed the latest technology or the BRC developed technology for the rural people in the vicinity of Kakrapar, Gujarat site. So let's have a virtual tour of the display center which is here. Go to the inside of the display center 1. Quota cabin number 1. So here the display center number 1, and here the 4 technologies are in one quota cabin. So let's start with the first technology. Can we have the camera please? Which is a domestic water purifier. As you can see that there is no electricity or the chemical required. It removes the microorganism, color, odor or suspended organics. It removes the bacteria to the extent of 99.99%. It can purify 40 liters of water per day. And when you talk about its installation and maintenance, it's very easy and very clean. And it's very easy to clean. We can swipe off, but we have to make sure that it should not be cleaned with a sharp object, because if the membrane can cut the objects. Here we can display the main. Can we have a camera here also please? There is a filter. So this is the domestic water purifier technology. Always we have to ensure that the membrane candle wet always. Now moving on to the next technology. Here we are displaying that fluoride detection kit. As we know that excess fluoride consumption causes a fluorosis, and the water is the main source. This kit basically consists of a reagent. 1 ml of reagent should be added to the 4 ml of groundwater, which yields the distinct colors. The developed colors for different deficient, safe and toxic levels of fluoride content may appear as shown below. That is the deficient level, that is safe level, that is toxic level. So the silent features is that anyone can perform irrespective of the educational background. This is stable for at least 6 months and it is harmless, but we have to ensure that the skin contact should be avoided. So it's a very dynamic technology. Now moving on to the next, which is named as fluoride remediation from drinking water. As we all know that India is majorly affected with fluoride contamination in groundwater, and therefore remedy methods are required. There are some available technologies, but it required the skilled technician, chemical treatment of water and high waste generation. However, this technology is a single step remediation and no special filtration is required, and the raw materials and the reagent are very cheap. So this technology is also very dynamic. So moving on to the next technology, which is called chlorine dioxide releasing polymer for water inspection, which is also called the CLEAN. It kills the bacteria, viruses, it pH and organics independent, extremely low THM production. What are the advantages? It renders 100% pathogen free water in 15 minutes. but we have to ensure the dose and dose rate of chlorine dioxide for short-term and long-term water disinfection. It is completely biodegradable. So अभी हम लोग कोटा केबिन नंबर 2 में जाएंगे. So let's move on. Now we are in the another display center, and here the first technology displayed here, which is a soil organic carbon detection and testing kit. This kit basically analyzes the carbon content of the soil in the field and help the farmers to decide the optimum level of fertilizer dose. This method is employed is very simple and quick and give reliable results. This is very user friendly, economical, and gives idea about the amount of organic manure additions to the crop. Here we can see the kit. I'll show you it. Open. So this is the kit for soil, which is called the soil testing kit. Now moving on to the next technology, which is the microfine neem biopesticide. This is written in the local language for the rural people. This biopesticide has been developed by using a novel technique of making micro-sized powder of whole neem fruit and other Ayurveda herbs. As the size of the powder decreases, the efficacy increases substantially. Thus, the insecticidal effect is much stronger and long-lasting. So this is the neem-coated powder. This is the kit here. We can see here. This is another very beautiful technology. Now moving on to the next technology here, which is called composting technology for decomposition of dry leaves, kitchen waste and temple waste. BRC has developed a microbial formulation for composting various biodegradable waste. It is applicable in municipalities, housing societies, institutional gardens, nurseries, orchards, farms and etc. It is single micro multiplied easily using a low cost substrate. It is very simple and rapid process. Compost generated is a good soil conditioner. We can see here the kit, which is the waste, the kitchen waste, microbial formulation and kitchen waste compost, the coconut leaf compost and the shredded coconut leaves. Now the next technology is displayed here is colorimetric sensing kit for melamine detection in milk. As we all know that melamine, which is a nitrogen rich compound which is illegally added in the milk to increase its apparent protein content. Now melamine content in milk is otherwise undetected by standard quality control method adopted by the dairy industries. This kit can be used in dairy industries as well as the household purposes. So this is also a very help technology that is developed by the BRC. This is one of the finest technology I found here is the 12-channel tele ECG. BRC has developed this battery operated credit card size 12-channel tele ECG instrument that can be operated with the help of mobile phone via Bluetooth. It records all the 12 leads of ECG simultaneously and display the same on the mobile screen. Report can be generated through PDF and can be sent to experts via any sharing app. So the treatment can be administered within the golden hour. And here is the kit, which can be seen here. I personally like this technology very much. Now moving on to the next technology, which is the solar dryer. Solar power, which is source of renewable energy, is very useful in drying food items. We can see here the box type solar dryer capacity is 25 kg, which has been developed with regulated air draft using exhaust fans driven by the solar panel. The induced air draft takes away the moisture from the dryer, retaining color, texture and flavor of the food. So the product is hygienic, safe and secure for animals, insects and dust compared to the dried and open floor. We can see the foldable solar dryer and below it. Now this is one of the finest technology developed by the BRC, that is BLDC motor driven solar pump for agriculture application. As we can see, the BLDC motor has been used in place of induction motor. This is solar powered. It's a very good alternative of AC pump set and diesel pump set, and it is very cost effective. Now moving on to the next technology, which is a radiation processing of foods. As we can see here that one process has multiple effects and multiple uses, which is the sprout inhibition, insect disinfection, shelf life extension, hygienization and quarantine. So इसकी food की जो preservative life है, जो life है वो बढ़ जाती है. And we can see here that there is already 4 operational low dose plant and 17 operational medium to high dose plant. We can see after the process, the food the shelf life has been extended. Also very finest, very cheap and very effective technology here, the banana tissue culture process. As we all know that edible bananas do not produce the seeds, but there is always a shortage of planting materials in the peak season. But by using this technology, we can have a large number of plantlets can be generated in a very short time of span. So of immense value in biodiversity conservation, because different banana varieties can be introduced or imported quickly and multiplied in a short duration. We can see here, this is the seed. Thank you all for your precious time. Kudos to all the scientists who have developed this technology, and kudos to all the people who have made available this here for the rural people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.